Hi everyone, let me introduce you to the new Goldwell Colorance Gloss Tones. The ammonia-free shine-infusing demi-permanent liquid hair color that perfectly colors and repairs in just one step. It's the next level blonde for quick services. What's new about Colorance Gloss Tones? You'll get superior shine and maximum performance in just 10 minutes. Color toning doesn't get better or faster than this. Experience luminous blonde results that last 41% longer compared to one of the leading competitors. And Colorance Gloss Tones delivers up to 3 times more shine and up to 5 times better combability even on damaged hair. Choose from clear and 15 beautiful shades of blonde for luminous blonde results. Why are Colorance Gloss Tones so caring? We all know. The healthier the hair, the more beautiful and shiny the color result will be. The basis for this is the balanced lipid levels inside the hair. The pH-balanced Colorance formula with integrated intralipid technology effectively repairs the hair structure by regenerating up to 70% lost lipids. This intralipid technology is a special lipid patented by Cal. How does it work? The new Gloss Tones are made for an easy application with the applicator bottle, which is ideal to apply at the basin. Get the perfect results within only 10 minutes processing time. Let me show you the easy measuring and mixing. Always in the ratio 1:1 with a 2% System Developer Lotion. The new 2% System Developer Lotion is specially designed for Colorance Gloss Tones to create intensive, long-lasting color results with outstanding brilliance and shine. It comes with Bond Pro Plus technology for even more care and protection. It's really that easy. Decide on the formula, mix it, apply it, rinse it. For a softer result, process only 5 minutes. This will give you a result comparable to the former Colorance Express toning. Don't be surprised if you can't see any change of the color during the processing time. Rinse after 10 minutes and you'll get the beautiful result. For hair that might be over-processed, carry out a Bond Pro Plus service before the Gloss Tone service. However, never add Bond Pro Plus protection serum to the Gloss Tones color mass. Apply System Structure Equalizer before using Gloss Tones after lightening services to instantly even out structure differences and optimize the color deposit in the hair. We kept it very easy. Please don't mix Gloss Tones with other Colorance shades, add pure pigments, or system thickener, as the Gloss Tones are made ready to use for instant services. And now let's have a look at the Gloss Tone services. Colorance Gloss Tones are perfect for all fast color services. You can easily tone and refine, add high gloss shine, and it's ideal for counteracting. Total versatility opens up endless possibilities for your service menu. We have great news about Colorance. All Colorance products and System Developer Lotions are climate neutral now. All CO2 emission generated from the raw materials, packaging, and final product is offset via an equivalent support of a CO2 climate protection project. Check out climatepartner.com. Talk about sustainability with your clients as well. For more information about sustainability, please visit us at cowsalondivision.com and check out our Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and please check out our other Colorance videos.